ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಮ್.ಎಲ್.ಎ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸು ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದವರು ಕೆಂಗೇರಿಯಿಂದ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರಶ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಥ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, BJPಯವರು ಹೆಣದ ಮೇಲೆ ರಾಜಕಾರಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟಿ ರವಿ ಏನು ಟ್ವೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು RCB ಬಗ್ಗೆ, BJPಯವರು ಏನು ಟ್ವೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯಾಮೋಹ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಅವರ ಭಾವನೆನ ನಾವು ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮರಿ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಧ್ಯರಾತ್ರಿನೂ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈಗೂ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳೋರು ಅವರೇ, ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆಸೋರು ಅವರು. ಅವರಾಗ ಅವರು RCB ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಗೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರು ಒಬ್ಬರು ಜೀವ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನಮಗೆ ಅರಿವಿದೆ, ವೆರಿ ಸಾರಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು. We never expected such an incident would have happened. Of course, no one want, no political party or no officials doesn't want. They have done their best in the way, but it was uncontrollable crowd. We never expected such a big parade. After 18 years, they have been looking at something great, something great. It was a team effort which has happened, and we see the crowd. They have left all their jobs, all their places, and they are there. The entire Vidhan Sabha came on the street outside. I could see the Manipal Hospital, all the other IT people, everything worked out. HAL, entire HAL staff was there in the airport itself.
Sir, at 9:30 in the morning, there was a program list released by RCB without consulting the state government. They only spoke about the open.
That is what I am telling you. That is, they released it. I don't want to comment much, find fault on others. I don't want to comment on that. So now myself and Chief Minister will discuss with our tomorrow, except the cabinet meeting, all other programs stands. No celebrations, postponed, no celebration or any program, including the pollution. We have asked our pollution control board to keep it some other day.
World Environment Day. Even myself from the corporation, day after tomorrow I will conduct a small Has the team conveyed their condolences to the government, sir?
Yes, they condole the message. ನಾನು immediately stadium ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು I gave them a direction and request them within 10 minutes this program should be closed. I took the secretary also, they all agreed, and the RCB team agreed. Within 10 minutes it staged, not even 1 minute. 5 minutes they went around. Recent lot of police people around them also, we didn't want any incident to happen also. They just closed, and we requested Koili also to just go. Saw for a courtesy sake, to show that they have handed over this gift to the man. This is what they just within one minute they just give it up to me.
Cabinet biಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್
God willing,
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ
unexpected crowd and the vibrant crowd. It is not a crowd like ordinary. You have seen, your cameras have seen, your eyes have seen, your ears have seen. What for you? I feel sorry. I apologize for the
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಜನತೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಂಬಂಧಿಕರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್.